want to show you the XiaoML kit, and actually it's the XiaoML kit. So you got your camera right there, and you can see the micro SD card, and it's running a program I just wrote. And we've got the OLED, the Wi-Fi BLE antenna. It's got everything. It's a dual core. But what I want to show you is if I use the pins, which are sensitive to touch, it is now taking one picture. Are you seeing that? And let me just move around so I can take pictures of different things. Maybe hold it still, try to get it into focus. Oops, you can barely see that. I'm taking a ton of pictures. They're on a micro SD. I'll try to load that up. Let's see if this micro SD loads up. Doesn't look like it is at the moment. There it goes. Okay, let's pause. Okay, not sure why that took so long to load up, but the pictures aren't great. I got my legs in them, but whatever. So it's color. It's 1600 by 1200. Definitely if I'm moving the camera, it doesn't look as good, but that one's not too bad. That one's kind of bad. And then I get my legs in the ouch. Anyway, you got the basic concept. Now full color, under $40 camera, and it can do machine learning. Please note the numbers. It's randomly creating that number and then adding one to it. So there probably are 20 here. That's it.